Nandito pala ako ngayon sa Mactan Airport sa Cebu. And ngayon kumukuha na kami ng boarding pass kasi pupunta kami ng Manila guys. Yeah, and connecting flight kasi yung ticket namin guys. So nakakapagod pero it's okay. So from Cebu pupunta kami ng Manila and then after pag galing Manila pupunta kami sa aming destination talaga. So So we're here na guys sa Naiya, between Paranaque and Pasay City. And since connecting flight kami guys, pa kami ngayon sa gate Cloud. So So, papunta kami sa island guys. 15 minutes siguro yung ride. And then, papunta doon sa kami ng bicycle para papunta sa hotel. So, see you there. Hi guys! So, I'm here at Boracay right now. And look at what I'm wearing guys. So, can you see it?
So, it's our day 1 pala guys, ito sa Boracay. Tapos kakarating lang namin. Pero pagdating namin guys, nag-rest muna kami for a while. After that, nag-watch kami ng sunset. And then, nag-roam around kami sa G Mall kasi naghanap kami ng resto guys for our dinner. And then, nung kami nakita dito sa TikTok guys, sikat siya sa TikTok na resto pang mga inasal yung food nila. And nag-wait kami for an hour guys, pero okay lang kasi very worth it naman. Masarap yung food nila actually. Marami kasing nag-line up sa restaurant nila guys kasi yeah, I believe masarap talaga yung mga pagkain nila. And yes, so after dito guys,
Hi guys! So, update. Kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Right now, nandito kami, naglalakad. Naghahanap kami ng pwede namin ka-stayhan. Like, gusto namin mag-cocktail tonight guys while doing some work stuff at the same time. So, right now, naghahanap pa kami at the moment. Here. So, mga kasama ko guys, sa unahan sila. And, I'm really haggard right now guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-retouch, charis. Kasi kakakain lang namin guys, so yeah. I'm just going to cut this video and then I'm going to update you later kung ano yung mga ganap namin. Bye! Thank you!
so we decided na magstay na lang dito guys sa Red Coconut. And nag-cocktails kami dito guys. Meron kasi silang mga fire dancers. May fire dance sila guys. And then, nag-picture kami dito at nag-try din ako guys ng fire dance sila.
So we're here pala guys. We're trying to buy some goods like water. We have water and drinks and snacks as well. So kagaling nun namin dun sa resto bar. And yeah, bibili muna kami ngayon dito ng something needed. And then after that, pumunta na kami sa hotel.
Hilda! Born ka dyan!
Di mag-vlog yung kalangang gawas ko ba? Shoot!
Patay.
Ka. Buffet.
Buffet.
Day 2.
Pating.
Finally, it's already our day 2 here in Boracay, guys. And since tanghali na kami nagising, pumunta kami agad sa D-Mall to find some resto for our brunch. So, dito kami punta guys sa Feliz Hotel. Ito yung napili namin na kainan namin for our brunch. And then, so far guys, masarap yung mga food nila. Worth it naman sa price and aesthetic rin yung lugar guys. Like, yeah, maganda. And then, after that guys, nagstay kami dito ng 1 hour or I don't know, 1 to 2 hours siguro. Kasi meron kaming water activity guys pagka mga around 3 p.m. So, nagpipicture muna ako dito guys while nag-wait kami ng next move namin guys. So hindi namin nakalain guys na dediretso na kami dun sa water activity na gagawin namin. So, yung mga gamit na dinala namin during this time guys, and yung damit ko guys, hindi ko nadala. So yung damit na ginamit ko for brunch, yan yung sinuot ko guys where nag-water activity kami. Hindi ko yan sinadya guys, sadyang wala talaga akong choice kasi nga hindi expected na during that time, idediretso na pala kami sa aming water activity kasi nga, I don't know, parang sa oras siguro guys, parang dito talaga namin pumunta. So napaka-saya ng water activity namin guys, nag-UFO kami and talaga siya na video guys, pero super fun. We enjoyed it a lot and after that guys, is pumunta kami muna sa station 2 para mag-continue ng swimming since basang-basa na kami guys. So bumili muna ako dito ng taho guys while nag-wait kami sa e-trike. After that guys, nandito na kami sa station 2, nag-picture kami for sunset and also nag-swim kami guys. Napakasarap talaga ng dagat dito sa Boracay guys. Napakaganda ng sand nila. And napakasarap mag-swimming sa Boracay guys, as in the best talaga. After that is pumunta dito sa La Carmela de Boracay. So, buffet ito guys. Ito kami nag-dinner. And then, masarap naman ang food nila guys. And, budget-friendly rin yung price nila dito. And also guys, after dito, nag-decide na ako na magpa-braids ng hair ko guys. Since day 2 na ngayon. And, gusto ko mag-braids ng hair guys. Kasi, frizzy na yung hair ko dahil palagi ako naliligo ng dagat. And, after dito guys, nag-choose na ako ano yung mas gusto ko and napili ko tong 4 lang guys, pero hindi ako mahirapan pag tinanggal ko na. And napakamahal ng presyo guys, hindi ko in-expect, pero okay lang naman, worth it.
Hi guys, so look at my braids. Got my hair done and it's already day 2 here sa Boracay. And ngayon pupunta kami somewhere para maghanap ng saan kami tatambal, cocktail or anything na makaka-ano kami. So bye! Hi everyone, good evening. So it's our day 2 here in Boracay and right now we're at Saboria. We have some cocktails and of course like solos. So I have here my favorite mojito. So buy one take one cocktail, happy hour. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Zeros roll to the right, you're the raven, the man's the raven, calling down on base of me. Don't wanna let you down, but I felt about this is all for you. You wanna hide a blue, no matter what they bring, we're still a made of green. This is my
Hi guys, good morning. So it's our day 3 here in Boracay and it's already 10:27 a.m. We're having hot choco from the free breakfast.
From the Philippines.
And later guys, we'll be having our brunch sa I will bring you there with me. So, bye. See you later. Hi guys! So it's already our day 3 here in Boracay and dito pala kami nag-brunch guys sa Mandarin Bay Resort and Spa. So they offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner and dito kami nag-brunch guys. So Filipino style yung lunch buffet nila guys and lahat ng maisip mo na i-crave mo na Filipino food dito guys. Pero ang target talaga namin is this one. Napakasarap ng seafood boil nila guys. So, super satisfied kami guys kasi nga matagal na kami nag-crave ng seafood boil. And finally, makakain na kami. So well, nag-wait kami guys para maluto yung seafood boil namin kasi freshly cooked talaga siya guys. Kumain muna kami ng mga different kinds of foods na ina-offer nila. Like mga adobo, kare-kare, and meron din silang lechon guys. And also, meron din silang mga desserts na Filipino style rin, like mga puto, kakanin. And also guys, meron din silang yung halo-halo na ikaw yung mag-create ng own style mo guys. So, aside from napaka-yummy ng halo-halo, napaka-fun din at the same time guys. Kasi nga, ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong halo-halo. So, may experience mo gumawa ng halo-halo na depende sa anong gusto mo or ano yung depende sa taste buds mo guys. Napakasarap at napakasaya at the same time. And also guys, meron din silang mga Filipino style na appetizers. Local style talaga guys. Like meron silang mga kinilaw, different types of kinilaw like mga tuna, tangige, mga salads, si pipino, any salad, any kinds of salads, bok choy, and then also guys, meron din silang mangga, singkamas with chili na may asin, and then bagoong. So yeah, any kinds of Filipino food nandito guys. So kung gusto nyo, kung magtatanong kayo sa akin kung ano yung masarap kainan, must try talaga dito. And after pala nito guys, gagawa ko ng part 2 kasi pupunta kami sa Boracay at party namin. And part 2 na yun guys kasi hindi na siya kasya dito sa video ko para hindi siya ganun kahaba. I'm going to show you kung mga ginawa namin doon. And yeah, after ng lunch namin dito guys, so dediretso na kami. And I will see you again guys sa part 2 ng video na to. So finish this video guys and then I will see you all again sa part 2. Bye! Mwah! Let's make some halo-halo. Here, Hi guys! So finally, day 3 in Boracay, part 2. So finally guys, nagawa ko na yung part 2. So after mo mag-brunch guys, dumiretso na kami dito. And I really did my best guys para ma-shorten tong video para hindi siya ganun kahaba tingnan. But yeah, napakarami namin ginawa na activity sa day 3 guys. And gagawin ko ang best ko guys para ma-insert ko sila lahat dito sa short video na to. So yeah, galing dun guys, nag-speedboat kami pupunta dun sa yacht na sasakyan namin para dun sa Boracay Yacht Party na event. So yeah, pagdating namin dito guys, nag-picture muna kami, naglalakad kami around. First and second floor kasi itong yacht guys and medyo malaki-laki siya. So sa taas guys, medyo chill lang doon na vibe. Good for nagpapahangin ka. Makikita mo talaga yung buong view. And then sa ilalim guys, nandun yung DJ, yung cocktails, free cocktails free cocktails na to guys with a lot of pika-pika. So dala na siya guys sa package na binayaran namin. And after that guys, drink kami ng isang baso or dalawa. After that, water activity na kami guys since pwede na. So marami itong included na water activities guys, like pwede ka mag-jump, pwede ka mag-slide, mag-snorkeling, or may crystal kayak din guys, and yeah, a lot more. So nag-swimming kami dito guys, like enjoy talaga namin yung dagat habang hindi pa kami nalalasing guys. So yeah, super fun talaga yung water activity guys. Water activity pa lang guys, super worth it na. And after pala nito guys is like nag-decide kami kasi meron kasing time limit guys na enough na yung mga water activities siguro para rin for safety purposes. So yeah, after nito guys is nag-decide kami na umahon na para drink na guys and mag-join na sa party. So dito yung pinaka-fun guys, isa rin sa pinaka-fun. So yeah, so yes, first drink namin guys after ng water activities. Napaka-fun na nito na time guys. Like, nag-party kami together with the crowd. Wala talagang KJ dito guys. Mababata, matanda, ka-age mo. Wala guys, lalaki, babae. Wala talagang KJ guys. And meron kayong time guys na part ng journey nyo guys na meron kayong may encounter na same company yung Sundancer na yacht namin na magiging like makaka-party kayo guys, different crowd, same company na yacht. And then like basta guys like meron kong ginawa na video guys sa buong trip namin dun sa yacht guys. Separate video na siya since napakahaba nun. So yeah, makikita nyo doon lahat ng ginawa namin guys. And then, after nito guys, pag uwi namin, nag-watch kami ng FIFA World Cup na final guys, since same day to ng final. Natulog kami konti, tapos gumising lang kami ng 3 a.m. And yes, that's how we end our day 3. I'm going to see you guys again sa day 4. Guys, good morning. So, it's already 11:28 a.m. Matagal kasi kami natulog kagabi guys kasi nag-watch kami ng FIFA kaya ngayon na kami nagising. It's already our day 4 here in Boracay and we're eating our breakfast guys. Take out lang to. Here. I have here egg, ham, and hot dog. And also corned beef, embutido, and egg. And also our very yummy hot choco. So yeah, kakain muna ako ng breakfast. Bye. So hi guys, this is going to be my last vlog guys since day 4 na rin to namin and ito na yung time na uuwi na kami ng Negros guys. So after ko mag-brunch, pumunta muna ako dito sa seashore guys. Of course, gusto ko muna i-enjoy for the last time. Charis over. Yung beach nila guys kasi nga uuwi na ako ng Negros and then nagmumuni-muni ako dito guys while drinking my buko juice. Nag-relax lang ako. And after that guys, nag-impact na kami para makapunta muna kami ng D-Mall bago kami pumunta ng airport. And makabili ako ng ice cream guys. Mango Mama from Coco Mama na ice cream. In-endorse ng friend ko guys. Sabi niya masarap daw. So yeah. Gusto ko ma-try before ako umuwi ng Negros. And nag-i-try kami guys sa puntang D-Mall. Sa likod kami dumaan. And naghanap pa kami guys. Mayroong mga seats around. Pero nasa middle part yung Mango Mama guys. So yeah, nakabili na ako. Medyo pricey siya guys. Pero worth it naman. And worth it siya for 2 scoops with different flavors. So yeah, I'm happy. My heart is happy.
Mango Mama, guys. Let's take a bite.
So yeah, after dito guys, sumakay kami ng e-trike papuntang pier para makasang kami ng barge papuntang kabilang isla guys, doon sa airport nila sa MPH. And yung biyahe pala namin guys is Katiklan to Cebu. And the Cebu guys, sakay lang kami ng bus papuntang Dumaguete. And nakarating kami ng Cebu guys mga 7 or 6 p.m. So yung dinner muna kami guys. And of course, yung dinner kami sa Puso Village. And napakasarap ng tusnubuwa nila guys. Yun talaga yung target ko guys sa Subuwa. And of course, the famous Pungko-Pungko. After that guys, nag-rest kami for a while. And then sumakay kami ng taxi papuntang South Bus para makabiyahin na kami pa Negros. So yeah, thank you so much sa lahat ng nanood ng vlogs ko. See you again sa aking mga next future vlogs. Bye everyone!